Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ,
Good morning, ma'am.
so holiday homework part is clear. Tomorrow we are going to discuss all the questions and answers in tomorrow's class. Clear? And you will have your holiday homework in front of you where you have completed it in the notebook. Clear? And we are going to discuss in the class. Now, this lesson we have already started. Everybody mute your mics. Mute your mics, everyone. Himanshi, mute your mic. Okay. So this lesson before the summer vacation, we have already started about the role of the government in health. Whatever we have understood before the summer vacation, we are just going to recall all that today. Clear first. So what do you understand about the role of the government in health? The name of the lesson. From the name of the lesson, what you are going to understand in this lesson? Can anybody tell me what you are going to read in this lesson? Or you have already understood in this lesson? Few pages we have completed now. Am I able to hear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Are,
Yes, ma'am.
are you all able to hear? Now my voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then can anybody tell me what you have understood? Whatever 2, 3 pages, whatever we have completed before summer vacation, from that much part, what you have you understood that we are going to read in this lesson? क्या पढ़ा आपने इस लेसन में? Okay, no problem. We are going to first recall whatever we have read. Now, role of the government in health. This name of the lesson itself indicates that you are going to understand about the role. What is the role? Role means the play. Government का क्या काम है? In which condition? In the health condition. In the situation of the health. Health condition में government का क्या role है? Clear? So in this lesson, we are going to read about the role of the government, how the government works. Role means the working of the government in health, about the protection from the illness or a particular type of disease, how the government takes steps to protect its people, to protect the citizens of the country. Clear? So in a democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. Now, we live in which country? India. India is a democratic country. Yes or no? Democratic. What does the word democratic means?
People participation.
People's participation to choose the government. Yes or no? They choose the representative, they form the government. So that is why we live in a democratic form of government where we have universal adult suffrage. Universal adult suffrage means where people are above 18, 18 years and above 18 get the right to vote, to choose the government irrespective of any caste, color, creed, designation, कुछ भी किसी तरह का distinction नहीं होता है. Everybody 18 and above is asked to cast the vote, is free to cast the vote to choose the government, and that is why we have a democratic form of government. So in a democracy, when we live in a democratic form of government, in this state we expect our government. जब हमने गवर्नमेंट चूज की है तो we have some expectations. तभी हमने चूज किया है कि हमारे लिए गवर्नमेंट ये काम करना चाहिए. तो and that is why we choose our representatives, and then in this case the democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. Why we choose the government? Why we choose our representatives who form the government? We choose the representatives so that they can form a government and they can work for the benefit of the people, for our benefit. हमारे बेनिफिट के लिए, हमारे वेलफेयर के लिए गवर्नमेंट में रह करके वो काम कर सके. क्लियर? Now this could be through the provisions of education. अब वर्किंग कैसे करेगा गवर्नमेंट? द प्रोविजन ऑफ एजुकेशन, एजुकेशन फील्ड में वेलफेयर करके, कुछ स्टेप्स लेकर के, so that every person gets is educated या gets the right to get education. Then health condition, to check the health conditions of the people and to save or protect the people of the particular state or the country from the diseases or contaminous diseases जो कि एक दूसरे से लग जाती हैं, एपिडेमिक्स वगैरह है, महामारी आती है. अभी कौन सा चल रहा है? कोविड है. तो क्या हो रहा है? तो कोविड चल रहा है, तो अभी क्या है, कोविड-19 की वजह से क्या गवर्नमेंट ने स्टेप्स लिया है वैक्सीनेशन का. अभी रिसेंटली क्या हो रहा है, 45, पहले 45 प्लस को वैक्सीनेशन लगाया जाए, अब 18 प्लस को.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये क्या है, गवर्नमेंट
18 plus को लग रहा है.
हाँ, तो ये क्या है, गवर्नमेंट के स्टेप्स है. That is for the welfare of the people, so that most people are of the country are safe from these types of diseases or epidemics और किसी भी तरीके की महामारी से बच सकते हैं. So this is the work of the government. Now, in this lesson, we are going to read about the health. What work does the government play or do in the protection of the health condition, to see the health condition of the proper health condition of the people? Clear? So, another part, it sees to the education, health, employment also, so that people get proper employment. When people are employed properly, definitely they will have money to get education and to get proper health care facilities also. Then housing and development of roads, housing facilities also provided. Then development of roads, electricity is also seen by the government. And these all working of the government is done just for the welfare of the people. लोगों की भलाई के लिए, लोगों की देखभाल के लिए government, because government is chosen by the people. अगर वो सब ये welfare के काम नहीं करेगी तो what will happen in the coming election after 5 years? What will happen? लोग उसको चूज नहीं करेंगे, है ना? उस पार्टी के लोगों को लोग चूज नहीं करेंगे और they will give the chance to another party. So the government works accordingly for the welfare of the people. Then in this chapter we shall examine the meaning and problems related to health. Now in this chapter, especially when we are talking about the role of government in health, we will read about the meaning and problems related to health. Clear? Now look at the subheading of this chapter. Subheading. Then in what ways do you think this topic is related to the work of the government? Now accordingly, one by one we will take each and every topic and then we will read it clearly and try to understand how government helps in protecting the people or keeping the health condition in the proper way of the people. Now first, for this we have to understand the meaning of the health. What does the word health means? Now, in a common way, when we talk about health, कि ये बहुत healthy person है, that means we are definitely talking about that person, that person is free from illness, free from injuries. जब हम किसी को बताते हैं कि ये बहुत healthy person है, तो इसका मतलब हम क्या बोलते हैं, उसके बारे में हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं कि उसको किसी तरह की कोई बीमारी नहीं है, किसी तरह की कोई चोट वोट नहीं लगी है, वो हेल्दी है, उसको मतलब कोई तरीके की प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू इलनेस और इंजरीज नहीं है, इसी को हम हेल्थ कंडीशन मान के चलते हैं. बट हेल्थ, द वर्ड हेल्थ मीन्स मोर. That is, but health isn't only about diseases. You may have associated only some of the situations in the above collage with health. Now, this is some of the situations which are given. We have already understood all these situations given in the collage, which relate about the health condition, the situations of the people. And what we often ignore is the fact that each of the above situation is related to health. हर जो situation बताया गया है, ये health से related है. Not only people which are free from illness are considered as the healthy people, but when people are getting adequate nutritional food, they are getting proper healthcare medical facilities, proper sanitation is there, pure environment is there, then also we can call it as that the person is in a healthy condition. Now, apart from diseases, we need to think of other factors. अब diseases के अलावा भी हमें बहुत दूसरे factors हैं जिनको हमको consider करना पड़ेगा so that we can understand the proper definition of health. For example, if people get clean drinking water or a pollution-free environment, they are likely to be healthy. Now, the situation is given that when people are getting clean drinking water, साफ सुथरा पानी है अगर पीने के लिए और pollution free environment है, then that means those people which are living in a pollution free environment and drinking clean water, clean and safe pure water, that means those people are also considered as the healthy people. क्योंकि जब pollution free होगा, safe drinking water होगा, तो definitely they will be free from any type of illness. Now, on the other hand, if people do not get adequate food, अब proper nutritious balanced diet नहीं मिलती है उनको, and they have to live in the cramped condition. Cramped condition means छोटी सी जगहों पे, छोटी छोटी जगहों पे रह रहे हैं, गंदी कच्ची बस्ती देखा होगा आपने इस टाइप से. These in this filthy conditions, if they are living,
Slum area.
then what will happen? They will be prone to illness. Prone to illness means they are likely to catch the illness. अगर वो इस टाइप की फिल्दी कंडीशंस में रह रहे हैं, गंदी सिचुएशन में, एटमॉस्फेयर में रह रहे हैं और उनको प्रॉपर डाइट, न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट नहीं मिल रही है, then definitely these types of people who are living here, they will be more likely to catch the illness. उनको जल्दी से इन्फेक्शन लगेगा, कुछ भी बीमारी होगी तो. So now, what do you understand from this paragraph? That not only a person, if a person is free from illness and injuries, is called as a healthy person, but if a person is getting pure, safe drinking water, pollution-free environment, balanced diet, nutritious diet, and if a clean and green environment also, then also a person can be called as a healthy person. Clear this much, everyone? Hello. Clear this much, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, अब वापस से रिकॉल हुआ आपको कि क्या पढ़ा गया था?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. All of us would like to be active and good spirits. Everyone means any student sitting here, if they want that they should be मतलब उनको किसी तरह की बीमारी हो जाए, डिजीज हो जाए, या वो हमेशा बुखार या सर दर्द होता रहे, कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा. आप में से भी कोई नहीं चाहेगा, मैं भी नहीं चाहूंगी, है ना. वो सब चाहेंगे कि हम एक्टिव रहें, हम हेल्दी रहें, बिकॉज when we will be suffering from any type of disease or illness, then definitely nobody will like to have those what bitter medicines, yes or no, injections and all.
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody wants to be active and in good spirits. And then what happened? It isn't healthy to be dull, inactive, anxious and scared for long stretches of time. और किसी को भी ये पसंद नहीं होगा. क्या पसंद नहीं होगा? कि वो किसी तरीके का टेंशन ले, मेंटल स्ट्रेन मीन्स किसी भी तरह का टेंशन हो उसको, या किसी तरह से वो इनएक्टिव दिखे, या लैकिंग इंटरेस्ट इन एनी टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी, तो कोई भी इस टाइप से सिचुएशंस नहीं चाहेगा. एवरीबडी विल वांट द गुड स्पिरिट एंड एन एक्टिव एंड हेल्दी body. So all of these various aspects of life, of our lives, are a part of health. That means if we are active enough, we are anxious, and we are not anxious, we are free from mental tension, any type of worries, then and we are living in a pollution free environment, clean drinking water, we are having adequate food, we are having, then that means we are having a healthy conditions. We are a part of a health. All these are the part of the health. Clear this much? Now, in this page, we have compared the two columns. In this page, we have compared two columns. The first column and the second column. What we have compared in both the columns? What we have compared? the situation.
Healthcare in India.
Yes, healthcare in India. In these two columns, we have compared. Sorry, we have compared the situations of the healthcare in India. What is the condition of health? What is the health condition in India? So many medical colleges are there. So many doctors are there in every year passing their means doctorate and all, and then also we find a lack of health facilities, especially in rural areas. So this first paragraph, India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world, among largest producer of doctors. Now these data and these years may be different in your books. Clear? So according to your books, yes,
Ma'am, what is tuberculosis?
tuberculosis is also beta disease,
Okay, ma'am.
है ना. ट्यूबरक्लोसिस और ये मलेरिया, जॉइंटिस, ये सब ये क्या है एक तरीके से डिजीजेज है ना. हाँ.
Diseases. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
तो आपका बुक में डेटा अलग दिया होगा, ईयर अलग दिया होगा, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बुक you can write down, you can mention your the year which is mentioned in your book also, and that data only you can give. Clear the numbers. So, so approximately more than 30,000 new doctors qualify every year. So here in your book might be 15,000 will be given, है ना? Some of the books, old books, 15,000 is given.
But now we have changed that to this.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can change in your book also the data if you want. You can change in your book. So 30,000 new doctors till today, means still not today, but this present we can say this is the new book, 2021 book edition. So for here we have written it is 30,000 new doctors qualifying every year. But then also these doctors, what happened? These doctors settle in urban areas. शहरों में ही dispensaries खोल लेते हैं, शहरों में ही हॉस्पिटल्स खोलकर वो वहीं प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू कर देते हैं. एंड द पीपल इन रूरल एरियाज हैव टू ट्रेवल लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस टू रीच अ डॉक्टर. एंड इन रूरल एरियाज these there is very much difficulty to fetch these good doctors, because most of the doctors after getting their degrees they settle in the cities only. कोई सब शहर में सेटल होना मांगते हैं, गांव जाकर के कोई प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना मांगता है. तो इसीलिए गांव के लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम, विलेज पीपल को बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती है. whenever there any problem related to health condition is there, they have to travel long distances, they have to come to the cities and then for the treatment and all. So the number of doctors with respect to the population is much less in rural areas. So this is the comparison. Dow Medical College is there, Dow many doctors are there, but then also we are lacking doctors in rural areas. Then healthcare facilities grown substantially over years. In 1950, there were only 2,717 government hospitals. 1950, how many government hospitals were there? 2,717 in India. But in 1991, there was 11,174 hospitals, and in 2017, the number grew to 23,583. So year by year, we are seeing that the number of hospitals are increasing. But about 5 lakh people die from tuberculosis. मगर फिर भी हम देखते इतने हॉस्पिटल्स खुल रहे, इतने डॉक्टर्स हैं, but then also we are seeing we can observe that many people are still dying every year from some other disease like tuberculosis. This number is almost unchanged since independence. Since independence से ये unchanged है number, and almost 2 million cases of malaria are reported every year, and this number isn't decreases. और हर साल मलेरिया से भी काफी लोग की डेथ हो जाती है. So from this comparison, what we say that though many government has opening many hospitals, but then also still work is going on, steps to be taken to save the lives of the people from dreadful diseases. फिर भी अभी और जरूरत है. Yes.
Ma'am, it is the second column and then become a healthcare facility that grown. Then जिसमें आपने ना नंबर अंडरलाइन कराई है
हाँ
इसमें ना अभी 2017 का मेरा अंडरलाइन की तो मेरे बुक पर 2000 लिखा हुआ है 2017 नहीं लिखा हुआ है
अच्छा, तो आप कर लीजिए, कुछ मिसप्रिंट हो गया होगा बुक में, है ना?
मैं ट्राई कर लेती हूँ
हाँ, no problem. If you want to make a correction in your book, you can make, no problem. You can make the correction seeing here.
ओके मैम
Okay. Now next, India gets a large number of medical tourists. Now who are medical tourists? Who are the tourists? First, tell me who are the tourists.
फॉरेन से आते हैं इंडिया में
हाँ, tourists people, movement, हाँ,
इलाज करने के लिए
यस, जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, टूरिस्ट कौन होते हैं? सबसे पहले तो हम वर्ड टूरिस्ट देखेंगे. हु आर टूरिस्ट? द पीपल हु मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, द मूवमेंट ऑफ पीपल, है ना? फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट, रिक्रिएशन या कुछ भी सीख ले. अब जब हम मेडिकल लगा देंगे उसके आगे, when we will talk about special tourist, which special tourist? Medical tourist. Then we will mean what? मेडिकल टूरिस्ट का मतलब जो लोग मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं. क्लियर? प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट के लिए एक जगह से, उनकी जगह पर प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है एंड दे मूव टू अदर प्लेसेस फॉर बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट फॉर द क्योर ऑफ द डिजीज. क्लियर? So they are called as medical tourists. They move for the medical purpose, that is called as medical tourists. So they come for treatment in some of the hospitals in India compared with the best of the world. Now they move from, these medical tourists move from one place to another for the best treatment, and few medical tourists also come to India for the treatment from the foreign countries also, है ना? Then next part we see that we are not able to provide clean drinking water. How many medical tourists come here in India for treatment, but then also we are not able to provide clean drinking water to all. And 21% of all communicable diseases, and whatever diseases are there, communicable diseases. Communicable disease means the diseases which are, what are communicable diseases? Which are spread from one person to another. Communicable diseases are the diseases which are spread from one person to another, and these communicable diseases are waterborne. Waterborne means गंदे पानी की वजह से ये डिजीजेस आती हैं लोगों में. Clear? For example, diarrhea, worms, hepatitis, etc. So these are the communicable diseases which are waterborne, जो कि गंदे पानी की वजह से होती हैं. And it is from our side, it is not good that we are not able to provide clean drinking water to all. Now in India, it is the third largest producer of the medicines in the world, and it is also the large exporter of the medicines. In India, the third largest producer of the medicine and the exporter of the medicine also. Half of all the children, and the other part is here, that half of all children in India do not get adequate food to eat, are undernourished. जब adequate food नहीं मिलेगा, proper nourished balanced diet नहीं मिलेगी, तो लोग बच्चे क्या होंगे? Undernourished. Nutritious food नहीं मिलेगा तो then they will be undernourished. और ये हम सेकेंड पार्ट में देख रहे हैं. और एक पार्ट हम क्या देख रहे हैं इंडिया का, कि थर्ड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है मेडिसिन का. इवन मेडिसिन एक्सपोर्ट होती है बाहर कंट्री में. क्लियर? सो दीज आर द कंडीशंस ऑफ हेल्थ कंडीशंस इन इंडिया, कि इतनी मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज, इतनी मेडिसिन फैसिलिटीज, इतनी हॉस्पिटल फैसिलिटीज होने के बाद भी अभी भी इट इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन द पाथ for the proper treatment, to give the proper treatment or to take proper health, to give proper healthcare facilities to each and every citizens of the country. Am I clear? Now, in In order to prevent that treat illness, we need appropriate healthcare facilities such as centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance services, blood banks, etc. Now, many diseases, we have understood that many communicable diseases, many diseases are there, but for the prevention
Time
from
is over.
from the prevention of those diseases, we need proper healthcare facilities. और उस proper healthcare facilities कौन कौन सी हैं? Hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance services, blood banks, even the workers, nurses, qualified doctors, health professionals, all these things are important to prevent and treat illness of the people in our country. Clear till here, everyone? We all need the medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patients. These facilities are required to take care of us. Now, till here, we have already completed in before the summer vacation. And I have recalled all this. Tomorrow, we are going to continue with this page number 21. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Before this, we will see the question answers, discuss the question answers of holiday homework. So those who have not completed, try to complete the holiday homework by tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so for that for today, tomorrow we are going to discuss the question answers of holiday homework and we'll start with this, continue with this lesson. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Type present
Bye,
in
ma'am.
the chat box and then you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.